Supreme Court series to Hira Group reality. Till now, no data has been provided as per the Panchanama given while the data were seized by the authorities back in 2018. Whenever the Hira Group is asking for the data to CCS, they are simply copying all of it in a hard disk and giving it. How is it possible that all the data can be accommodated within the hard disk? If one sees the size of the Panchanama, while they seized the data, everything will be clear very easily. While seized, the complete server had more than 60 hard disks, each having capacity of 1 terabyte to 4 terabits. How is it even possible that all the data that was stored over such a huge server could be accommodated within one hard disk? If they hand over the complete server, then there will be the proper data of investors to return their money. It will be easier for the company to return the money as fast as possible. It is Nohera Sheikh's kind and responsible heart that had already cleared 18,000 investors' payments with the available data. Hira Group still does not have the necessary data for paying back all the investors, and here they are not at fault. Hira Group is requesting the court and the CCS to provide whatever data they had seized. Hira Group is not requesting the authorities to create new data. It is disgusting for anyone to write articles or make videos on a topic people have half knowledge about.